Hey guys, let's see how to connect a Tapo C320WS to the Wi-Fi. Basically, you're going to set up the camera, okay? So I have the camera already here working, connected to the power supply. And then here I have the Tapo app already on my cell phone. To install it, you just need to go to the App Store, look for Tapo, then TP-Link Tapo, create an account, all right, after installation. And then you just log in and you're gonna have this screen, right? I have here already some Tapo cameras. I just need to add a new one. So I just come here, add a new device, and look for outdoor cameras, and then Tapo C320WS, that's the one. And I'm going to connect via wireless, right? Hit next here. And here you just follow the instructions. You see here that you need to have the camera with the LED flashing red and green, which I have right here. Okay, just out of the box. If it's not that way, you just need to reset your camera. To reset the camera is pretty simple. You just need to open it up and press a button to reset it, right? I'm just show here because just in case your camera is not flashing like this, you need to come here and reset. You see here, there's the reset information. So basically just use a screwdriver, remove the screw here, one by one. There we go, second one here. And then just remove the cover, and there's a reset button just right here, okay? You're gonna press and hold until you hear a message that the camera is reset. And also gonna see the LED here flashing while reset, right? I'm just press and hold. There we go, just pressing it. Okay, you hear this chime, then you just let it go. And the camera is being reset, right? Sometimes the camera speaks to you that the camera is reset, and sometimes just do this chime. I don't know why, but that's the way to go. Then you just can close everything here. Just put the screw back into place. We'll just close it back here and continue, okay? Back here to the cell phone. Just confirm here, already green, red and green. And now it's time to select the Wi-Fi. Just come here to your cell phone and you select the Wi-Fi, which is the camera first, right? You see here that's flashing red and green. Then the idea is to connect your phone to the camera, and then after this, your phone is going to tell the camera which Wi-Fi to connect to. That means your router. So first here, you just need to look for the camera. There we go, that's the camera signal. Wait for it to connect. It's unable to join. If that happens, you just need to come here and connect to any Wi-Fi that you have available, just to have the option to connect to the camera again. Let me just connect to this one. Still unable to connect. Let's just look for the camera one more time. Keep doing this until you can connect to the camera. There we go. When it becomes blue because it's connected to the camera, then you come back to the app and it found the camera. And then you can rescan the network to find the Wi-Fi, 2.4 gigahertz network. Remember that 5 gigahertz doesn't work, so it needs to be a 2.4 gigahertz network, right? There we go. Then I just select my Wi-Fi. I'm sure that I have the 2.4 here. And that's my Wi-Fi and the password, okay? Now the cell phone is going to tell the camera to use this information to connect to the router. I just hit next, next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. Here you just need to name your camera, hit next, select a location, hit next again, select an icon, next one more time, and it's good to go. Here, just dismiss the cloud storage trial, and maybe later going to set up the hub, and you just need to insert your SD card, format it, and you're good to go, okay? So it's basically working with the Wi-Fi. Let me just show you here. Just select the camera here, and you see that's working pretty fine, okay? So it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Basically, you use your cell phone with the Tapo app, Connect the camera. If it's not flashing, you just need to reset it and you're good to go with the setup. Super simple. I hope that helps. Basically, that's the Tapo C320WS, and that's the way you can connect it to the Wi-Fi. Leave your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.